everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jayeeta and friends call me Rima. So today I am very excited as Durga Puja is at our doorstep. So that is why in today's video I am going to share with you how I have made this beautiful easy jewelry using clay. But before moving to that video, if you are new, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification for future updates. If you like this video, give the video a big thumbs up and don't forget to comment down there below. So let's get started. To make this jewelry, you need Fevicryl molded clay powder, Fevicryl acrylic color, knife, paintbrush, embroidery thread, something to flatten the clay, and you can use toothpick also, but I have this with me, so I am using this one to make the holes in the clay. To attach those clay, you need this earrings hook, some jumprings, nose chain plier and a round chain plier. At first, take out the moulit. Mix these two mixture properly. Now put some powder over here, otherwise the clay can stick, so that's why. Now place the dough and flatten the clay. Now cut out some shapes as per your choice and draw the shape on the clay. Now make a hole to thread the threads over here. Using the same technique, I have already cut out this clay for the earrings. Now let's paint it. With this shape, I have already attached these jumprings together. Now take the thread and attach it with the clay. Here I have decided to thread some beads. Now, after completing the threads here, tie a knot. Similarly, I have also attached these jump rings with each other for the earrings. And this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next week. Take care. Bye bye.